Miles around the world, back with another Las Vegas room tour. Here we are at the Park MGM. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Got this sliding door, leads to the bathroom. Very clean, elegant looking bathroom. Not too large of counter space though, but it does the job. And all over this room they got old photos from the Monte Carlo. This place used to be the Monte Carlo, then they remodeled it. Got a couple hangers. Walk-in shower, which I love. I don't like the hotels that don't have the walk-in shower, so this is a must. Nice tile work. Little stand here. Don't usually see that in a bathroom. Let's go check out the main area. So when you close this door, it reveals this area with the safe, glass, like real glass, ice bucket, couple little drawers, ironing board. Let's go see the room after we see some more artwork. Here we are. It's not too big, but it's like the perfect size for 1, maybe 2 people. Let's see. How does this turn on? Boom. Okay, nice and bright. Full length mirror. Ooh, watch out for this though. If you move this, you have 60 seconds to put it back or else you will get charged. So be careful with that. There's waters there, but there's free waters on the side of the bed, which is nice. Gave 2 free waters. A little bit more art. One of the best parts of this, lounge area. It's like an executive chair right here. You can work on the computer while watching TV or whatever. And the TV actually pulls out, it swivels. So you can watch from the couch or this chair here. Perfect. Or you can turn it and watch from the bed. Oh, this thing is janky though. Yeah, I will say, I don't think this was mounted properly. You can see that it's loose. That's a little weird. I did notice a few little things like that. Like this plug is a little off too. Just a few minor little things. So for this light, you got the switch. And we are on the 22nd floor, the very top floor. So check the view. You got Aria over there. You got all the pools. And the pool is actually open year round. You can see people down in the hot tub right there. They heat the pool. Might check that out later. As I was admiring this view out here, I forgot to mention there is a free tram that goes between here and the Aria and Bellagio. So I'm gonna ride that later. Maybe I'll show you. I can see people getting on it down there. All right, what a view.